So next one, continuation. Convert decimals into rational numbers. Convert given decimal, that is convert into rational numbers. Your first one is decimals are two types taken as terminating decimal. So convert terminating decimals into rational numbers. So example, see this example, 0.25. Okay, that is terminating decimal. Why? Because after the decimal point, after there are two digits is there, it is countable. So that's why that is terminating decimal. How to express here? 25 by, after decimal point how many digits are there? Two zeros. So if you remove decimal taken as 100, 25 by 100, that is rational number. Now you taken as standard form, convert into standard form. 5 5s 5 20s. Again 5 1s, 5 4s. So we get clearly 1 by 4. Or directly cancel 25 1s or 25 4s. Okay. One more example. Second one, 1.58. Like this is there. Okay. So how to express 1.580? Okay. 1.580. If you remove decimal, 1580 by, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So taken as 3 zeros. If you remove decimal point, so in that one taken as 1. Okay. So here 0 0 cancel. Okay. So 2 table, how many times? 50 times. So 2 table, 2 7s 14, 2 9s 18. So 79 by 50. This is standard form of this rational number, this decimal. Okay. So one more, 8.06. Okay. How to write this one? 806 by 100. So 2 table 50 times, 403 times. So 403 by 50. This is simplest form, means that is in the form of P by Q, means this is rational number of this decimal. So this is the terminating decimal. Okay. So non-terminating recurring decimal only. Every rational number can be expressed only terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. What is other one? Non-terminating non-recurring decimal. So non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. See this example. Non-terminating recurring decimal. 0.31 means 0.3333 like this. Okay. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. Now sir, here after decimal point how many digits are there? We cannot count. So that's why this is called non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. Means non-terminating. So here 3 is repeated so many times. So that's why non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. So in non-terminating recurring decimal, recurring part is called period. Recurring part is called period. So in this problem, what is the period? 3. Recurring part 3 is a repeat continuously. So that's why the recurring part is called period. Number of digits in recurring part. Number of digits in recurring part. Number of digits in recurring part is called periodicity. So number of digits in a recurring part is called periodicity. Okay. Recurring part is called period. Number of digits in a recurring part is called periodicity. So that's why periodicity. So what is the periodicity? How many digits are recurring? Only one digit. One digit is recurring. So that's why periodicity is 1. How many? Which digit are recurring? 3 is recurring. So that's why period is 3. Periodicity. How many digits? Number of digits in recurring part is called periodicity. Recurring part is called period. So here period is 3. Periodicity is 1. So this one how to convert in rational number. Okay. Now I will explain. So 0.3 bar, 0.3 bar. If you remove bar, 0.333 like this only. Okay. Let assume that x is equal to taken as 0.3333 like this. This is considered first equation. Okay. So given problem, assume that is taken as x. X is equal to 0.333 like that only. Okay. So here, so we have to find, this is converted into p by q means we have to find x value. Okay. So x is equal to 0.333 like that only. Okay. So here, what is the period? Period is equal to 3. Okay, 3 is repeated continuously, so that's why period is 3. Periodicity. What is periodicity? Periodicity, how many digits are recurring? 1. Okay, 1 digit, 3 only recurring, so that is periodicity. Here periodicity is 1, so that's why this equation is multiplied with 10 power 1. This equation is multiplied with 10 power 1. If periodicity is 2, multiply with 10 power 2. 10 power 2 means how much? 100. 10 power 1 is 10 power 1 means 10 only. If periodicity is 3, multiply with 10 power 3 means how much? 1000. Means like this it is 0.26 bar. Here periodicity is how much? 2. So that's why multiply with 100. 1.738 like this. Here periodicity how much? 3. So that's why multiply with 1000 like this model. Okay. So here periodicity is 1. So that's why multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. So 10 into x. 10 into x. That is equal to 10 into 0.3333 like this only. Okay. So 10 into x, 10x. That is equal to multiply with 10 means the decimal is moving one digit. So 3.333 like this. Okay. So this is second one. Understood? Here periodicity is 1. So that's why multiply with 10. If a periodicity is 2, multiply with 100. If a periodicity is 3, multiply with 1000 like this process. Okay. So here multiply with 10. 10x is equal to 3.333, so on like that. Okay. So in the second one, in first one, which one is greater? Second one is greater. So second one minus first one. Do it second one minus first one. Okay. So second one is 10x is equal to 3.333 like this only. First one, what is first one? X is equal to 0. Decimal compulsory taken as straight 333 like this one. So subtraction minus. Okay. Here how much? 9x. 10x minus x, 9x. 9x is equal to here 3 cancel, all are cancelled. 3 minus 0, 3. So x is equal to how much? 3 by 9. Okay. 3 ones, 3 threes. So 1 by 3. So final simplest form of 0.3 bar rational number is how much? 1 by 3. Okay. This is 1 by 3. Okay. You do like this model. So I will explain one more problem. So every rational numbers can be expressed in the form of terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. So one more problem I will explain. 0.18 bar. 0.18 bar like this given. Okay. So let assume that x is equal to taken as 0.18. If you remove bar, that is continue like this. Okay. So this is considered first equation. Okay. Now here what is the period? Period is equal to 18. 18, 18, 18 like this repeated. Periodicity. What is periodicity? How many digits? 2 digits. Okay. So 2 digits periodicity is 2. So that's why multiply with 1. Multiply with not 1. Multiply with 10 power 2. 10 power 2 means how much? Okay. 100. Multiply with 100. Okay. Multiply with 100. Okay, so which one? This one, 100 into x, that is equal to 100 into 0.181818 like this only. Okay, so 100 into x, 100x, that is equal to, multiply with 100, the two digits are here, two zeros is there, two digits are moving. Okay, so it becomes 18.1818 like this. Okay, so this is second equation. Okay, second equation is always big one only, so we have to do second one minus first one. So second equation, 100x is equal to 18.1818 like this only. This is second equation. What is first equation? X is equal to 0.1818 like this only. Okay, negative subtraction, so that's why negative. So here 99x. 99x is equal to how much? Here cancel, all are cancelled, only 18. 18 only. So from this one, x is equal to how much? X is equal to 18 by 99. Yes or no? 99 transpose this side, division 18 by 99. So 9 table come. 9 2s, 9 11s. So final answer is 2 by 11. So what is the rational number of a given non-terminating recurring decimal is 2 by 11. Okay.